Everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a dinghy or a boat with the Rubik's Twist 24 block. So there's 24 of these blocks all the way there. Okay, so first you start off like that, and you have to make sure the point is pointing to the left. Not to the top, to the left. And then you have to turn that down towards you. And then you have to turn that next, and then you have to hold the next one and turn everything else towards you. Okay, and then so look at it from like that, and then you hold the first one and turn everything else to the right. Okay, and then now you count 3 of these wide sections. So 1, 2, 3, and then so like 1, 2, 3, and then turn the rest to the, so if you're looking at it like that, turn the rest to the right. Okay, and then hold that one and turn everything else back towards the start, only once. Okay, and hold this one and turn everything else again towards the start, like that. Okay, now it won't quite fit over here, but it will fit once we've done this. So you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and turn that 6th one to the right, like that. Okay, and then so now we have like this thing and that thing sticking out the end. Okay, so you hold that block and then turn all of these blocks towards you, like that. And then hold that block and turn everything else downwards, like this. Okay, and then now we're almost done. So now what we have to do is we have to turn the end bit, we have to turn it down, so turn it to the left. And then that second last bit, you have to turn it down as well. And when you turn it down, this orange bit and the blue bit will match up, like that. And there you go, you have a dinghy or a boat. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.